Top 10 Marketing Strategies for Chemical Manufacturer. Number 1. Create a brochure-style website that includes all product descriptions, specifications, and use cases. Number 2. Invest in SEO to improve your ranking and organic visitors. Number 3. Create a brand kit and utilize the same colors and icons throughout. Number 4. List your company on marketplaces such as Alibaba and IndiaMart. Number 5. Promote products on Facebook if you know your target audience. Number 6. If your product is in high demand, try Google PPC ads with expert assistance. Number 7. Attend international trade shows and conferences. Number 8. Collaborate with industrial distributors and pharmaceutical manufacturers. Number 9. Create a strong follow-up email system in a CRM like HubSpot. Number 10. Preserve relationships with existing consumers. Acquiring new customers is especially challenging. If you are looking for any kind of digital marketing help, check out Brainido's Digital Marketing Marketplace. Find all services at one place and get started for free.